The Hero 11, the Hero 10 on the right. The 11 has got a white dot increment and the 10's got a blue dot increment. The ISO here is on 100. On the Hero 10 is on 100. They go 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 6400. And they both will show the screen and dim down. Did you know that the Hero 11 has one additional feature? If you click on the very bottom, it goes on to the automatic. On the very bottom here, it does not. And the ISO maximum will also be on auto. That is the additional feature of the Hero 11. What are the benefits of using auto? It allows the camera to choose exactly what is right for you.